In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete all of your recently deleted photos and videos on iPhone. So if this video helped you, please subscribe. So first, open up your Photos app and go to your albums. Scroll down, click on recently deleted. On the top right, click select, and then you can say delete all or recover all. If you click delete all, confirm it, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you out, please leave a comment saying it helped me out. I would appreciate it a lot. And also, thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.